everyone, my name is Jamila and here is English with JeJe. Welcome to my channel. This video is a piece of recording of one of my online English classes. This class mainly focuses on speaking and listening skills. The students mostly listen to a part of a story or audio, and then we will talk about the different parts of vocabulary and grammar we had in the story. Hi, good evening.
Hello, thanks.
How are you?
Good evening too. Thank you.
Is everything all right?
Yes.
Okay, happy to hear
Everything was
so.
okay.
So, can you tell me what this unit is about? What was the whole subject about?
It was about marriage and choosing between two persons that she must choose.
Very good. So, can you tell me about yourself? You're married, right?
Yes.
Can you tell me when you got married?
I got married about 12 years ago. I met my wife at university.
So, was it hard at that time? Was marriage hard?
No, it was very easy because I didn't think about many things. Today, everything is accessible, but everything is very expensive and it's very hard to achieve them.
Look at a picture. What do you think? Yeah.
Public transportation.
Excellent. Okay. So daily commute means wherever we go and we come from. All right. So look at a picture. What can you see in this photo? What are they? Let's talk about it.
Okay, I can see 3 taxis and buses and many flags on the air.
They've got public.
And people that are going to their works.
Excellent. So people commuting, yeah, use the new words you learn. Excellent. Yes, people commuting, very good. And the flags we've got, yeah. Do you think this city is crowded or not?
Yes, I think it's very crowded.
It's very crowded. We say crowded or jammed. Jammed, yeah, means everything is all together. The cars cannot go and come very easily. Do you like to live in a crowded city?
No, I don't like to live in a crowded city.
You're living in Tehran right now, right?
Yes.
Is it considered a crowded one?
If I could, I travel to north of Iran in a village.
If I could, I would travel to the north of Iran. What other cities are crowded? Can you tell me, give me other examples in the world? When we say crowded city, what comes to your mind?
Okay, in Iran, I think Mashhad or Shiraz are very crowded.
Shiraz is not crowded. Yeah.
Because I think Shiraz is a big city and it has an international airport. And it's one of the main city of Iran.
Citizen of Iran. Excellent. Have you ever traveled to Shiraz?
No.
You have missed a lot because Shiraz is very beautiful. Right now, no. Because of the pandemic, no. After everybody gets the vaccination, yeah, that's good. I'm fond of traveling. Okay, and let me give you another point of grammar. Whenever we say, have you been to somewhere or have you gone somewhere? Do you know the difference? For example, I say, I have been to, I don't know, America. Okay, or I have gone to America. Do you know the difference? Whenever you've been to somewhere means I have experienced it. But when you have gone somewhere means right now you're there. For example, I ask you, where's Ali? You say, he's gone to Tehran. But know the difference. Whenever we say I've been there means right now I'm not there. But I've gone there means I'm there right now. Okay? Now let's save it and watch it.
Hello, I'm Finn and I'm here at Oxford Circus Station. As you can hear, it's quite busy because it's the middle of the rush hour.
So what were they talking about?
They talk about daily commute, and I think the man was a journalist and asked some questions about how the people traveling to their works. And
yeah, you keep going. Don't forget to use the new words.
okay.
How do people commute to work? Excellent.
Fine.
So how was the weather like? Did you get it?
I think it was rainy.
It was
because,
rainy.
one of the people
Yeah.
have an umbrella.
Yeah. Do you know the meaning of rush hour? Here we have it.
Rush hour.
Where are you? Yeah, rush hour. Do you know the meaning of rush hour? Can you guess?
I think it's part of a street that people walk through.
No. Rush hour means the time that there is too much traffic. For example, what time is the rush hour in Tehran? What time is it?
Okay. Between 17 to 20.
Excellent, very good. Between 5 to 8, yeah? Good job. And also, do you know the meaning of quite? Quite. It's quite busy. Can you guess?
Quite busy.
Quite means somehow. Very good. So quite, this is pronounced quite, not quiet, not quit, means somehow. I'm gonna share the link. You can watch it over and over. Please don't look at the transcription because it helps you to have a better listening. Thank you for learning English with JeJe. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to get the notification of my new videos.